Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about PuzzleProfitz. Now this is by Venkatesh and is out now. Now this is all around making puzzles that you can sell on the Amazon KDP network. Now this is a low content publishing network. It's huge niche and you can make money off it. But unfortunately, I'm going to show you why on this particular product, this is probably not the software that you're going to need to purchase to actually do that. During the review, I'm also going to give you a number of pointers on the types of things that you'll see with products like this on Warrior Plus. I'd also recommend other reviews actually that you can go ahead and have a look at that will give you a very, very in-depth look at Amazon KDP itself and really help you understand from a technical perspective why these types of softwares are not going to be very good to publish on that particular network. I have some very, very good people that I trust that are experts in that niche, and I'm going to point you over to one of their videos and you can take a really good look at that if you really want to go into that niche itself, and they will help you understand what the better way to go is and you can actually start making progress. But guys, I'm actually going to take you through this product. I have actually purchased it. I'm going to start off on this page because this has got a training video here. This is just, well, it's outstanding, guys. I'm just going to show you this training video and then we'll go into the dashboard and we'll have a look at the dashboard and see what you get. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. The idea of the reviews, if you've not been over to the channel before, is that you get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any kind of product or service online. Hey guys, if you like these types of reviews, go ahead and hit that subscribe and notification bell and I'll let you know whenever I publish new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you really want to build a business online and you're trying to figure all this out, go ahead and check the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads. I got some great free training there that's going to help you if you're stuck, if you're just beginning, or if you're really, really disillusioned with all of these types of products online. This is going to help you find a way that you can actually start making a real business online. So guys, let's have a look at PuzzleProfitz. The idea is that you're going to be making very, very simple puzzles on here and you're going to be actually selling them on the KDP network. I actually bought this, as I said, so first thing you'll see is this. You can go ahead and register here, but this is the training video, guys. Now the training video is supposed to tell me as a complete newbie how I'm going to sell these on the Amazon network and what it's all about, and it's a extensive training video which lasts 2 minutes. Yes, I said it. It lasts 2 minutes. It flashes up to the Amazon KDP network. It says you've got to join that. And then it shows you how to use this software and says you're supposed to download it as a picture file and then nothing. So this is the worst training video I think I've seen in a long time. And that's saying something when you're looking at people that are selling products on the Warrior Plus network, guys. It is atrocious. It's 2 minutes and it tells you nothing. And by the way, there's not even somebody talking on it. It's just music and it's just somebody doing this in the background with their actual mouse to actually go through the training. So very, very poor. Let's jump over to the dashboard. Now I've actually registered. This is my own copy, as I said. This is the dashboard. Now you've got these on here, some deal analytics on here. These have got absolutely no kind of correlation with anything. The only thing you probably have is the total puzzles, downloaded puzzles and the puzzles views. Again, there's no correlation between the puzzles views because you're downloading these as an actual image. So where they're going to get the data for the puzzle views, none of these make sense. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is go over to the training and tutorials. This is the actual version that they have sold to people, and the training on it is for a completely different product called Sonic. Now Sonic has got no relation to this product whatsoever. I've got no idea why they put this training here. This is looks like a page builder and how to build applications with this particular software. So this is completely random, guys, and you know, the guys that make this, they want to be ashamed. This is a really weird thing to suddenly put inside here as a training and tutorial. Kind of shows just how much they actually care. You go over here and you have a puzzle generator here, and basically you can make a very, very cheap looking word finder puzzle. So if I just come along here and I'm going to take these options out, I've got a few options myself that I'm just going to copy and paste in. So you have it. This has actually produced my word finder puzzle, and basically there is some gaps in this for some reason, which is a bit odd. And then the idea is I can go ahead and save these images. So I could have images of the actual blank one here, and then I can go ahead and find the various words on here, and I could have images that are there for the actual solution. And then there's nothing else here, guys. It tells me how to use this. If I don't know anything about Amazon KDP, how do I make a book up from this? How does it get printed? All of these things are absolutely missing from this solution. All it is some little bit of software that'll help you go ahead and generate word finder puzzles. Now I just jumped over to this site, education.com, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create it. And basically they have this worksheet that they've gone ahead and created for me. I can then log on to this site, become a member of the site, and start having these anyway, and download these anyway completely for free. So you can download the worksheet, you can download the answer key, and I can do it on here for free. So why I need to actually go ahead and use this software is really beyond me. So it's really just a very, very poor idea for actually trying to sell a product that they're telling you are going to generate you a lot of money online. There is so much more to Amazon KDP than using just software like this. Now, what I would do, guys, I'm actually going to recommend somebody else here called Dream Creative Marketing. This is somebody that I know very well and I really trust. They've actually done a review on this as well, PuzzleProfitz review. I'm going to leave the link to this review below. She's actually going to explain to you in a very technical way why these types of softwares are not going to be any good to actually publish on this network and why you're not going to make money with it. It really, really is worth following her and actually following her for real advice if you're interested in making money from the Amazon KDP network. It really is, guys. But let's jump back into my own review. I'm going to show you something on this sales page and with the actual vendor itself you really need to be aware of if you're deciding to buy anything off the Warrior Plus network. And these are the types of things that I want you to look out for if you're part of my audience. So we're going to jump back to the sales page itself, guys, and I want to just show you a few things. So these are always very glitzy and glamorous, these sales pages. These are actually Amazon KDP type graphs. I want to show you something on here with the actual testimonials that you're going to get on this page. So I just flick down to the testimonials themselves. These are the things I always look for: financial proof and testimonials. These two pictures here are AI pictures. They're generated by a software that anybody can get access to, and they're just going to generate these random pictures. So this person doesn't exist. Now the worst thing on here is they're actually saying you that Richard W has made $512 using PuzzleProfit app. They make that specifically. I have not made this up, guys. They make that specifically, that this financial proof is connected to this application. A very, very quick Google search, all you need to do is right click and then search image with Google Lens, shows you that this financial profit has got nothing to do with Mr. Richard W. This financial profit is here on a Ryan Hogue's website, ryanhogue.com, and this is his financial proof, and this is from 2020, so over a year, 2 years ago now, isn't it, guys? So Ryan Hogue, passive income, you can see that he's given his actual income reports from January 2020, and that is one of the images he uses. The second thing I want to show you is Joy R. Again, AI image. Joy doesn't exist. This is another piece of financial proof, 1832. You see on there, again, they connected it directly to this app, and I just need to go over to this site, which is again, another site that concentrates on Amazon, and that image is coming from this site. And all you need to do is scroll up. Amit Surati, apologies if I butchered that name, but this person has that on their website. So basically, they've taken the images from an AI site and they've absolutely just taken random images off the network that's connected to Amazon KDP in some way, and they've put them on their sales page, and they're pretending to you that this is the money they're making. Absolute nonsense, guys. Just so you know, this guy is called Venkatesh. I would avoid him. 10,000 sales. You can see his star rating on here, and somehow I'm afraid on the Warrior Plus network they need to be ashamed of themselves as well. They're supposed to have a compliance department that looks at this type of stuff, and they've made this product deal of the day. Anybody else online who's given you positive reviews on this, you want to be asking them directly, what do you think about the fact that they're faking financial proof on the sales pages? And I want you to get an answer off them before you spend your hard-earned money on software like this, because you really, guys, you need to wake up a little bit and really understand that this type of trinket software is not going to make you money online like you hope it will. Find somebody good who understands KDP marketing if you want to go down that route. It is a great niche. It's a great positive niche to be in. People really love these low content type books. But to be honest, guys, this PuzzleProfitz isn't worth anything, and you should really avoid it and not purchase this type of software from these types of vendors. So guys, that's my review. It's a very honest review. It's based on my own opinion. If you enjoy these types of reviews, go ahead and give me a like and hit that subscribe if you want to go ahead and listen to more reviews just like this one. And guys, if you're lost and you really want to figure out how to make money online, I've got some great free training for you. It's not connected to Amazon KDP. It's connected to affiliate marketing, which is a great way to make money online. You can find that in the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and we'll help you get started straight away. Until next time, guys, take care.